Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we have something truly special for you, a rare reimagined classic. This is the 2025 Ford XY Falcon GT 1970, a stunning tribute to the iconic Aussie muscle car. But this isn't just any recreation. This is a modern take on a timeless classic. Let's dive in and see what makes this Falcon GT a legend reborn. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ford XY Falcon GT wears its iconic red color with pride, a true homage to the original. The body lines remain faithful to the 1970 model, with sharp, muscular contours that have aged like fine wine. From the front grille with that unmistakable GT badge to the bold black racing stripes that run down the bonnet, this Falcon commands attention on the road. You also get the classic twin exhaust pipes at the rear, giving it that throaty roar we all love. Now, let's step inside. The interior is where modern comfort meets retro flair. Ford has done an excellent job blending vintage style with the latest technology. The classic bench seats are reupholstered in premium leather, maintaining that old-school charm while offering all-day comfort. The dashboard is a beautiful recreation of the 1970s design, with large aisles and a center-mount speedometer. But it's not all about nostalgia. This Falcon GT also comes packed with modern features, like a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and advanced driver assistance systems. Under the hood, the 2025 Falcon GT packs a punch. A modern 5.0-liter V8 engine delivers a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower, which is more than enough to push this muscle car to 60 mph in just under 4 seconds. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking it to the track, the performance is nothing short of exhilarating. The suspension system has also been upgraded to handle today's roads, giving you the perfect blend of comfort and agility without sacrificing that raw muscle car feel, said Pep. And on the road? Well, this Falcon GT feels as powerful as it looks. The handling is razor sharp, thanks to an upgraded suspension, while the performance is pure muscle. The exhaust note? It's like music to the ears, providing that deep, rumbling growl you'd expect from an iconic GT. Whether you're on a straight stretch or taking tight corners, this car feels like it was built for the thrill. Now, when it comes to the price, this is where things get interesting. Since it's a limited edition model, you can expect to pay a premium for the 2025 Ford XY Falcon GT 1970. The starting price for one of these beauties is around $150,000. But considering the amount of attention to detail, the combination of modern tech and performance, and the sheer nostalgia factor, it might just be worth every penny. So there you have it. Modern engineering meets classic muscle in the 2025 Ford XY Falcon GT 1970. A true icon reborn for the new generation. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or just someone looking for a thrilling ride, this car is sure to deliver. Let us know in the comments if you'd take one of these for a spin, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching.